The rise of the machines, AI, enters the hacking game. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it's here and it's changing the world as we know it. One area where AI is making a significant impact is cybersecurity. AI is being used by hackers to develop more sophisticated attacks. It is also being used by security professionals to defend against those attacks. In the past, hacking required a high level of technical expertise. Hackers needed to have a deep understanding of computer systems and networks. However, AI is changing the game. AI-powered hacking tools are now available that can automate many of the tasks that were previously performed by humans. Two examples of such AI-powered tools are White Rabbit Neo and Wormgpt. White Rabbit Neo is an AI-powered penetration testing tool that can identify and exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems. Wormgpt, on the other hand, is an AI-powered chatbot that can be used to create highly convincing phishing emails. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI-powered hacking tools emerge. This raises serious concerns about the future of cybersecurity. White Rabbit Neo represents a significant leap forward in AI-powered hacking. Unlike traditional penetration testing tools that rely on pre-programmed scripts and rules, White Rabbit Neo employs machine learning to adapt and evolve its attack strategies. This means that it can learn from its mistakes and become more effective over time. The tool works by analyzing vast amounts of data about a target system, including its network configuration, software vulnerabilities, and user behavior patterns. Using this information, White Rabbit Neo can identify potential weaknesses and craft customized exploits to breach the system's defenses. What makes White Rabbit Neo particularly dangerous is its ability to mimic human hackers. It can simulate human-like behavior, such as typing speeds and mouse movements, to avoid detection by security systems. This makes it extremely difficult for organizations to distinguish between attacks carried out by White Rabbit Neo and those conducted by human hackers. Phishing attacks remain one of the most common and effective methods used by hackers to gain access to sensitive information. Wormgpt takes phishing to a whole new level by using AI to create highly convincing and personalized phishing emails. Traditional phishing emails often contain grammatical errors, suspicious links, or generic language that can raise red flags for recipients. Wormgpt, however, leverages natural language processing to generate emails that are indistinguishable from those written by humans. By analyzing large data sets of emails, Wormgpt learns the nuances of human language, including writing styles, tone, and common phrases. This allows it to create emails that are tailored to specific individuals or organizations, making them more likely to succeed. The capabilities of AI in hacking extend far beyond penetration testing and phishing. Hackers are now using AI to develop more sophisticated malware and launch more effective network attacks. AI-powered malware can evolve and adapt to security measures in real time, making it extremely difficult to detect and remove. These malicious programs can analyze their environment, identify vulnerabilities, and modify their code to bypass security software. In the realm of network attacks, AI is being used to launch distributed denial-of-service attacks that are more powerful and difficult to mitigate. AI algorithms can control vast botnets, overwhelming target servers with traffic and causing service disruptions. Section 5, a new era of cyber threats. The escalation of AI-driven attacks. The emergence of AI in hacking has ushered in a new era of cyber threats. The sophistication and scale of AI-driven attacks are rapidly increasing, posing significant challenges for individuals, organizations, and governments worldwide. One of the most concerning aspects of AI-powered attacks is their potential to automate large-scale cybercrime. With AI, hackers can launch attacks that were previously infeasible due to the need for significant human resources and expertise. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and dangerous attack methods emerge. This highlights the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures to counter these evolving threats. Section 6. The ethical dilemma. Can we stop AI from becoming the ultimate hacking weapon? The use of AI in hacking raises profound ethical questions. As AI systems become more sophisticated, there is a growing concern that they could be used to cause significant harm. One of the biggest ethical dilemmas is the potential for AI to be used to create autonomous hacking tools that could operate without human intervention. Such tools could potentially cause widespread damage before they are detected and stopped. Another ethical concern is the potential for AI to be used to target individuals or groups based on their race, religion, or political beliefs. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if that data is biased, the AI system will also be biased. Section 7. Fighting fire with fire, using AI to strengthen cybersecurity defenses. While AI poses significant risks to cybersecurity, it also offers promising solutions. Just as hackers are using AI to enhance their attacks, security professionals are leveraging AI to bolster their defenses. AI-powered security tools can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying and responding to threats much faster than humans. These tools can detect anomalies, identify patterns of malicious activity, and even predict future attacks. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on massive data sets of known malware, phishing emails, and other cyber threats. This allows them to learn the characteristics of malicious activity and identify new threats that have not been seen before. Section 8. The future of cybersecurity, a constant race between AI offense and defense. The future of cybersecurity is likely to be characterized by a constant race between AI offense and defense. As hackers develop more sophisticated AI-powered attacks, security professionals will need to develop even more advanced AI-powered defenses to counter them. This ongoing arms race will require significant investment in research and development, as well as close collaboration between industry, academia, and government agencies. It is crucial that cybersecurity professionals stay ahead of the curve by anticipating new attack vectors and developing innovative solutions to mitigate them. This includes investing in AI training for security personnel and fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Section 9. The need for regulation, establishing ethical guidelines for AI in cybersecurity. The rapid development and deployment of AI in cybersecurity necessitate clear ethical guidelines and regulations. Without proper governance, there is a risk that AI could be used for malicious purposes or in ways that infringe on privacy and civil liberties. Governments and international organizations need to establish frameworks for the responsible development and use of AI in cybersecurity. This includes addressing issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for AI to be used for mass surveillance. It is essential to strike a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly in the cybersecurity domain. This will require ongoing dialogue and collaboration among stakeholders to address the evolving challenges and opportunities presented by AI. Section 10. Conclusion. Navigating the challenges and opportunities of AI in cybersecurity. The use of AI in cybersecurity presents both significant challenges and unprecedented opportunities. While AI-powered tools have the potential to revolutionize cyber attacks, they also hold the key to strengthening our defenses. As we navigate this new frontier, it is crucial to approach AI with a balanced perspective, recognizing both its potential benefits and its inherent risks. By fostering collaboration, promoting ethical development, and establishing clear guidelines, we can harness the power of AI to create a safer and more secure digital world. The future of cybersecurity depends on our ability to stay one step ahead of the evolving threat landscape. By embracing AI as both a tool and a challenge, we can pave the way for a future where technology empowers us rather than endangers us.